Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening Capcut and creating a new project for your photos. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and resolution to 1080p for standard exports. Import your photos using the Add button and arrange them in the timeline. Set each photo duration to 2 seconds for a smooth slideshow rhythm. Confirm the project frame rate at 30 FPS to keep motion consistent across edits. Add up to 5 layers if you plan overlays or text above photos. Select a photo and use crop and rotate tools to refine the framing. Apply a 1/4 zoom if you want a tighter subject composition. Use adjust to change brightness by +15, contrast by -10, and saturation by +20 for balanced exposure. Add filters or LUTs to establish a consistent look across images. Use masks to isolate areas and set overlay opacity to 50% for subtle blending. Animate properties with keyframes to create smooth pans. Add text layers using the text tool and choose a 24 pt font for readability on phones. Position titles using safe margins and keep text visible for at least 2 seconds. Use stickers or animated presets sparingly to avoid distracting from photos. When ready, export at 1080p and 30 FPS, and choose MP4 for video or GIF for short animated sequences. Save your project file locally and export a backup copy to cloud storage to protect edits and revisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.